How to add a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open Microsoft Word on your PC or laptop. Now, you first want to open the document in which you want to insert table of content. Once you have opened the document, you first want to insert the headings. Select the heading, click on the Home option, then from Styles you want to select Heading 1 or any of your preferred heading. After this, you want to do this for all the headings in your document. Once you have done this for all the documents, the next step is to insert the table of content. For this, you want to click on the References option. Then from here, select Table of Contents. Here you have two built-in automatic tables. You can select whichever you want. Once you click on it, the table of content will be automatically appearing along with the page numbers. If you want to change the font, you can do that as well from the home panel. Now, in case you want to update the table, you can do that from here, or if you want to change it, you can simply click on this arrow, then select whichever table you want. Now, if you do not want the automatic table but want the manual one, you can select manual table as well. Here you will have to insert all the titles and page numbers manually. And this is how you can add a table of content in Microsoft Word, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.